Hi, it's me, Dandy, and today I'm going to teach you pranayama practices for breathing problems. So we're going to start with a belly and chest breathing. So our chest and our belly breathing relaxes our nervous system. It teaches us to compartmentalize our breath and to breathe deeply and fully. So the belly and the chest breathing is good for beginners who are not fully aware of pranayama and breath. So we're going to practice now our belly and chest breathing. So lie down on your mat comfortably. Bend your knees so that your back don't arch. So bending the knees are good for lying down practices. So in our belly and chest breathing, we're going to put one hand over our chest and one over our stomach while bending our knees. So in here, we're going to use our belly or our stomach muscles while inhaling and exhaling. No need to use your chest at this point because we need to use now our stomach muscles. So from here, we're going to inhale, pushing our hands towards the ceiling. And when exhaling, you need to bring your sacrum down to the floor. That's how we'll do our breathing exercise, our breathing, belly breathing practice. So now we're going to start now inhaling, pushing your hands to the ceiling, expanding your belly like a balloon, exhaling down, bringing your sacrum to the floor. So that's how we do our belly breathing. Now start again, inhaling, pushing your hands up, exhaling, bringing your sacrum down to the floor. Again, inhale, pushing hands up, exhaling, bringing our sacrum down to the floor. So from here, we're going to use only the stomach without using anything on the chest. Inhale, pushing hands up, expanding like a balloon, and exhaling your hands down. Again, bringing your hands up to the ceiling, bringing your hands down, your sacrum to the floor, exhale. One more, inhale. Exhale down, release. Inhale. Exhale, release. That's our belly breathing. Now we're going to have our chest breathing while lying down and bending our knees over. So now here on our chest again, we're going to use our chest. So inhale into the chest, relaxing your belly. You don't need anything. I mean, you don't need to push or use your hands into your belly. Don't do anything. Let your belly relaxes while you're using your chest here. So we need to inhale into the chest, relaxing your belly, sternum lift. And while exhaling, we need to release and ribs towards each other. So this is how we use our chest in here. So now inhaling, expanding. Inhale into the chest to relax the belly, sternum lifts. Exhale, release, bringing your ribs towards each other, bringing it down. Inhale again, lift. Exhale, ribs towards each other. So now we're going to count 1 to 10 in practicing our chest breathing. Okay, so we need to inhale again into your chest, relaxing your belly and sternum lifts. Don't forget. And we need to exhale, releasing and ribs towards each other. So from here, we're going to start now, inhaling into your chest, relaxing your belly, expanding your chest like a balloon in here. Sternum lifts. Release, exhaling. Ribs towards each other. Now inhale, ribs. Up, sternum. Exhale, release. Again, breathe in. Inhale through your chest. Sternum lifts, expanding like a balloon. Exhale, release, ribs towards each other. Inhale into your chest, expanding like a balloon, sternum lifts, doing nothing on your belly. Exhale, release, ribs towards each other. Again, inhale into your ribs, into your chest. Exhale, ribs towards each other. Again, inhale into your chest. Sternum lifts. Exhale, release, ribs towards each other. 2 more breaths here. Don't do anything on your belly. Inhale into your chest. Sternum lifts. Exhale, release, ribs towards each other. Last round. Inhale into your chest. Sternum lifts. Don't do anything on your belly. Expand like a balloon. Exhale, release, going down. Breathe. And focus on your normal breathing here. Try to figure out how relaxing our belly and our chest is breathing. Feel the sensation of your body in here after doing our belly and your chest breathing. Normal breathing in here. So that's our belly and our chest breathing. So we're going to do our Kapalabhati next. Kapalabhati is the contraction of the lower belly. So this is also called the skull shining breath. So in here, we're going to use the cough mechanism. So like if we cough, we tend to use our lower belly and contract this area. So that is what we're going to do in Kapalabhati practice. Kapalabhati also good in cleansing our lungs and good for people with depression and addiction, and also good for people who wants to stop smoking. So in practicing the Kapalabhati, in sitting down, we don't need to do anything on our shoulders. We don't need to raise this one up while we are coughing. So we need to let our shoulders relax and do our pumping. So before anything else, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the Kapalabhati. Sitting at ease, inhaling, relaxing your shoulder, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, and start pumping. Inhale. You can join me here. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Start pumping. Exhale. One last round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and start pumping. From here, you start breathing normally, observing your body, observing the sensation of your whole body after doing the Kapalabhati. Next practice is Nadi Shodhana. This is an extremely breathing technique to calm and center the mind. This is also refers as alternate nostril breathing. This also works tremendously in your circulatory and respiratory problems. It relaxes and calms the mind. There is no contraindication and can be practiced by everyone. So to do this, we're going to use our hand mudra. So we're going to flex our index finger and our middle finger into the palm, and we're gonna join our thumb and our ring finger together. In this way, this hand mudra will help to close our nostrils later on. So the thumb will close our right nostril and our left closes our left nostril. So in this practice, Nadi Shodhana, we're going to breathe alternately on our nostrils. So start with the mudra, flexing two fingers together, joining two others. Now in this mudra, we're going to inhale on the right side, closing the left, using this ring finger, closing, inhaling in 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Closing both nostrils. 1, 2, 3 counts. And opening the left nostrils while exhaling into 6 counts. So by this hand mudra, this will help you doing alternate breathing exercise or breathing practice. So we're going to start. Join me with our Nadi Shodhana practice. Flexing 2, joining the other 2. Start. Closing your left nostril. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close both nostrils. 1, 2, 3. Open. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Closing again the left, opening the right. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Closing both nostrils. 1, 2, 3. Opening left. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Closing both nostrils. 1, 2, 3. Opening left nostrils to exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to practice now counting by yourselves. So please join me in doing our Nadi Shodhana with our hand mudra. Flexing 2, joining your thumb and your ring finger. Start, inhale. Last round. Inhale, opening your right nostrils. Inhale. Closing both nostrils. Opening left, exhale. And return to your normal breathing. Feel again the sensations of your body after practicing our Nadi Shodhana. Normalize your breathing here. Thank you in joining me today in my Pranayama practice. We just finished our chest and belly breathing, Kapalabhati and Nadi Shodhana. Hopefully it elevates and helps your breathing problems. So on my next yoga videos, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Namaste.